Good morning. It's time for my morning meal. I'm going to get the food in just a moment, and so you know what's going to happen next. And as the chime chimes,
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
there we go. So we have our food, and it's time to open up the bag and see what they brought us today. They promised us more food. Let's see what they promised. And looks like the original person that ties the bag is back. Wow, it's so colorful. It's got, I don't know if you can see, it's got green colors all over the spoon. Okay, so we do have a water. I would assume this is some sort of milk drink, maybe for some breakfast cereal. Go. The room is now self-cleaning as normal. I will take care of it later. So we have an egg, and then an orange, a little mandarin. And then let's see if the breakfast sandwich has food in it. Let's see. Breakfast sandwich with some sort of, I don't even know what it is. It's like this gelatinous, I've never seen anything like it. It's not really a sauce. I think I've had it before. I thought it was mayonnaise, but it's some sort of, I can't even distinguish it. It's kind of sweet, no real savoriness to it. I don't know what it is, but they put it on top of the turkey. Let's try. Bagel with some sort of saucy, not sauce, it's I don't know. It's gelatinous something. And with the breakfast pickle. I mean, who couldn't ask for more? Breakfast pickle. Okay, we got saltine crackers for palate cleansing. Now the cereal, I've had this before too. It's they have these little O's. There's an O, and then there's a square, and then there's a flake, and then there's flakes, squares, O's, and the O's are different flavors. So in America, this would have been Fruit Loops with wheat checks with flakes, like Kellogg's flakes. Not the sugar sweetened ones, but just the corn flakes. So it's kind of a potpourri or an amalgamation or assortment of cereals all thrown into one little bowl. Very small bowl, but a lot of different cereals. Let's see. It is exactly what you'd think if you mixed corn flakes along with Fruit Loops and wheat checks. So let's get the spoon out and hear the crunching of the very crunchy cereal. You know what's funny? Some people don't like the crunching, other people do. I'm not really sure why. I don't know if this is real cow's milk, or I don't know how to say it. It tastes different. Maybe Korean cows are different? I can't tell you. Or if it's just, I don't know, just a change of scenery in a different country. Food tastes different. Okay, cereal. Now, one of the questions that people were asking through other formats, the interesting thing is, you know, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and you know, different. YouTube is for general public. Again, Instagram is also, people send me messages directly to me. One of the questions that come up is, how do you what do you do as far as keeping yourself interested and just engaged? So while I'm here, I am doing a lot of posting. So I'm posting to Facebook, posting to Instagram, posting to YouTube. So, and I'm also sorting through photos and getting those posted to Instagram mostly. Now, I have a morning routine. I take a shower, make the bed, do everything like I would normally do housekeeping chores at home. Things are a little different. I don't have a washing machine, so the clothes I wore the previous day, you know, like underwear for instance, gets washed in the sink with the laundry soap that they provide next to the sink. It's just it's a bar soap, but it's bigger than the little tiny hotel soaps, and it's I believe it's intended for laundry soap. I found no other purpose because there was hand washing soap already, so I think I've seen that in a laundry aisle even in America. Some people still use that laundry soap. It's a bar. So I do that every day. Do laundry, so when I leave I won't have any dirty clothes. If I had soiled any clothing, I wash that in the sink. And then as far as other housekeeping chores, I just try to keep everything neat. Throw out all the garbage, and so after morning meal the garbage goes out in a biohazard bag. That happens every day. And then I'm sorting through things, making sure I test all the equipment that I'm going to be using for the rest of the trip. There's no sense in not having everything to my liking, and make sure it all works. And then I'm then looking through things that I might need to drop off the post. So things that I won't need in China, but I did need in Korea, those things will be sent back if I won't need them in other countries I'm going to later on for filming. And then I've got to speak to the various, we've got the American embassy, so I've got to make sure I check in with them, and then before I leave Korea and tell them where my next stop is, and then check in them when I get to China. So there's housekeeping chores I have to do as I travel. So any things that I haven't done as far as visas, clearances, for the next country, you just do one country at a time. I mean, you could try to do all of them, but if you get stuck in one place and then your arrival date changes, you get kind of into trouble because you're saying you would arrive and you don't, and then you've got hotels. So, just because things are just a little different because of COVID, I've got to make sure that everything is done in the right order. It's not normal where you have an itinerary and you can stick with it. It's you have an itinerary and you have to go with it. And so that's what makes this trip a little different than people that have traveled prior to COVID.
Power off.
With that, we won't be able to do the closing announcement from the speaker that normally controls the. Let's see, maybe it can do a little bit louder. We'll see. Let's see what it sounds like. So about right now, I'm going to conclude this video with, again, the morning announcement of meal, and we'll see if it sounds okay on the small speakers.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.